Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Serpy. Now today you're tuning in to another episode of Coonery and Buffoonery. Look at the screen right now.
Police up there up half a cheap premise, he gun there, pepper spray on the phone. Police! See that police, don't yourself. Police! Big thing I go here, so I don't know where Moby and the Crowbacks man you have. A Moby and the Crowbacks man, you see me? A Moby and the Crowbacks man. Police them, some of the assistant now. Be a police, but you know, police them now. Step back. You tell me step back and I move, come on by business.
People understand this. When you hear me call out the JCF, I do it because I know they can do better and I want them to do better. But I know foolishness and we can pick sense than nonsense. And I can tell you right now, people, being a member of the JCF has to be one of the hardest jobs on planet Earth. Let me say it again. Being a police officer in Jamaica or any job that involves having to deal with and police and control or manage groups of Jamaicans has to be one of the hardest jobs in Jamaica. Or sorry, in the world. Yes, in the world. People, even the simplest things, even the most routine stops, the most routine things like asking somebody to show them papers or to stop or to pull over can lead to a giant circus. Right? Now, the video you just watched a while ago. People, machine up on ground. This tear off, that tear off. People one of them look like Mrs. Squaddy with a rat chicken in her hand. People you can't make this. You can't make this stuff up, people. Squaddy have a rat. Somebody tell me. Sorry people, but it's hard to control. This is too much. This is too much. I have to go to live on planet Mars or something. I have to go run with people. I have to go run it. Jamaica cannot be a real country. Jamaica cannot be a real place. This place is a giant circus, right? This place is a living, breathing Hollywood movie. People, we can't live it no more. People, you know, it's a squaddy machine up on the ground. Hold on, people. I have to get on myself and come back. Hold on. Okay, people. Back in action now. Now, squaddy machine up on the ground. And the man have to use a ratchet. People, when have you ever seen a policeman have to use a ratchet to try and deal with somebody who is resisting arrest? A ratchet, which not even in the movies, you see policeman, machine up on the ground, and him have to draw for him ratchet. Him ratchet in people. Have you ever seen police try detain somebody with a ratchet? This cannot be real life. This cannot be real life. And as usual, it's an unruly taxi man, right? Because of course, whenever you try to talk about taxi man, the first thing people ball out is, oh, you fight taxi man, you fight poor people, you don't want to eat a food, right? But this is how them behave. To the point where squaddy machine get figured. And the money I use are ratchet people. Squad have to draw film ratchet people. In Jamaica in 2020, a policeman, right, trying to get papers from a taxi man, end up to machine, tear off him waist, clothes tear off, this tear off, helmet down sideways, and have to reach him, ratchet people. People, listen, I'm going to end this video right here. I can't go any further. The video speaks for itself. Me can't go any further, people. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video.